In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Microsoft Teams, making your workflow even more streamlined and efficient. Let's dive right into it. To start off, you need to be on your Monday.com homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to select the workspace that you wish to integrate with Microsoft Teams. It's important to ensure you're working in the correct workspace, as this will help avoid any confusion later on. Take a moment to double-check which workspace you'll be using today. Once you've selected your workspace, the next step is to look for the Integration option. You'll find this by clicking on the Integrate button. This button is typically located in the upper area of the workspace page. By selecting it, you are opening up a whole new world of possibilities to enhance your productivity through integration with other apps, like Microsoft Teams. Next, in the integration search bar, type in Microsoft Teams. This will bring up all related options available for you to choose from. Once the search results populate, click on Microsoft Teams. What you're essentially doing here is preparing to connect the two platforms, which will allow you to synchronize tasks and manage communications seamlessly between your teams on Monday.com and Microsoft Teams. After selecting Microsoft Teams, you'll be presented with the option to choose the type of automation that best suits your needs. Automations are incredibly powerful, as they can handle repetitive tasks and send automatic notifications, saving you a lot of time and energy. Carefully consider which automation will work best for your team's workflow. Whether you want tasks created in Monday.com to trigger notifications in Teams, or vice versa, there's likely an automation that will suit your requirements. Following this, you need to connect your Microsoft Teams account. Look for the Connect with your Microsoft Teams account option and click on it. This step is crucial because it links the two platforms, granting the necessary permissions to facilitate smooth communication and task management between them. Finally, a login window for Microsoft Teams will appear, prompting you to enter your credentials. Carefully enter your details to complete the login process. It's important to ensure your login information is correct, to avoid any hitches in the connection process. And there you have it. You've now successfully integrated Monday.com with Microsoft Teams, opening up a more efficient channel for communication and task management that will certainly streamline your workflow. Remember, the combined power of these two tools lies in their ability to enhance productivity and improve team collaboration. So make the most of this integration and see how it can make a difference in your daily operations.